Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming Git is installed and your identity is set so commits attached to you. Once done, open the command prompt and CD into your project folder. This places you where actions run. Initialize a repo with Git in it, then stage changes with Git add, and commit with Git commit m initial commit. These steps create the local history you'll push later, so make sure your user name and user email are correct before moving on. Next, connect your local repo to GitHub so code can live remotely. You add a remote with git remote add origin followed by the repo URL. This links destinations. Once linked, fetch and pull to synchronize history. Git fetch then git pull rebase origin main to avoid merge clutter. Make changes, stage, and commit. When ready, push with git push u origin main to set tracking. This establishes a two-way workflow. Finish by using branches for features and merging cleanly. You create a branch with git checkout bfeature/name so work stays isolated. Once ready, switch to main, git merge feature/name, and resolve any conflicts using the editor, then commit the merge. Push main to remote. If push fails because remote has new commits, do git pull rebase origin main and resolve conflicts, then push. If something goes wrong, avoid force pushes unless you understand the risk. Restore with git reflog as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.